Hello, today we'll be drawing Carson the Gray Cat Squishmallow. We're going to start with the eyes, 2 big circles, one over here, and repeat that on the other side. We're going to draw the inner eye detail, almost like drawing a half moon, and repeat the other side on the opposite side. After we're done with that, we're going to draw 2 circles in the middle. 1, 2. And now we can fill in the blacks, which is going to be the middle part right here. And then same thing on the other side. Once you're done with the eyes, we could draw the mouth. Let's start with the nose first. The nose is going to be in the middle like here, like a little triangle. Now we could do the mouth. It's going to be a line in the middle, a U on one side, and the same U on the other side. Now with the face done, we could draw the head. We're going to start up here, and we're going to draw a curve from here to here. Leave a little space, almost that much, and that's going to be for the placement of the ears. And then we're going to draw a line from here all the way down, like that. Repeat on the other side. Little space, line all the way down. Let's go right to here. Once you're done with those 2 lines, we're going to draw the bottom line. It's going to connect the 2. Like that. And finally, we can finish off the ears. It's just going to be a curve from here, and it should end right here. So we're going to draw a curve up to that point. Finish it off by going down all the way to here. Now we're going to draw the inside detail. We're going to add a curve on the inside like this. And same thing, go down to this point. And to finish off the ear, we're going to add a little U right there. Let's repeat this on the other side. Start from this point, go all the way up to here. Once you're done with that, move all the way to the middle like this. And then we're going to draw the same curve of the inside down to here. And then finish it off with the U. Once you're happy with the ears, we're going to draw the details. We're going to start with the stomach detail first. It's just going to be a curve up to here. Same thing on the other side. Start from here, down. And then complete the stomach. And now we can do the patterning. It's just going to be a curve from here to here. And repeat that right below. 1, 2. And then mirror it to the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we could draw the patterning on the head. It's just going to be 2 lines like this. And then we're going to draw a parentheses on both sides. Then draw 2 lines again. Parentheses again. Finally, we're going to end up with a little U like that. And that is the patterning for the head. And then there's going to be a little bit more details. We're going to go for the whiskers first. It's just going to be 2 lines right here. 1, 2. And same thing on the other side. 1, 2. And Carson the cat has some XOXOs down on the bottom of his stomach. So we're gonna add that. We're gonna do an XO and another set of XO. And to finish it off, it's just gonna be a little heart. Let's add it right here. And there you have it, a perfect drawing of Carson the cat, the Squishmallow. Now let's just add a little bit of color. And there we are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.